Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your charging problem in your Poco C71 smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Here you can see here it is Type C charging cable and I'm just putting in this and you will see friends it is not charging. So how you can fix this? Friends, you first you can check if there is an bug or something it is in your smartphone. You can just go to the first apps, then click on see all apps, show all system apps, and here you have to write settings, and then you have to clear cache this settings from here, and then press back, write here Google, and then click on this Google Play services, clear cache this, and simply press back. And then you have to just release some storage, like the apps are not in use, photos, videos and documents. Then if you can see it is not charging, then you have to check your cable whether it is broken from another side or something, and you can check your your adapter also if it is working or not. You can check with another smartphone also if it is working, your adapter has the problem, or your lead is broken, something is there, or you can just go to the service center and buy a new one, or you can check your phone also if there is a problem in the port, if it is broken inside. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.